Hi folks, and welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. This week I've been continuing my work with the magic rod weapons and implementing those animations that I created last week into the game. So let's take a look at what I've been doing. As I showed in last week's video, I had created a couple of animations that will get used whenever you have a magic rod weapon equipped. One of those being the charge state of the magic, and the other one being when you cast the magic spell from the rod itself. The goal for this week was to implement those animations into the game and set the conditions for when those should be played. So not being able to cast magic before you've actually charged up the attack. A lot of the work this week has been on the code side of things. So I'm now checking to see what kind of weapon that you have equipped, and that will determine which sort of attack trigger to set off. If you have a magic rod equipped, then the trigger will start the process for the charging the magic, whereas if you have a sword equipped, it will just go straight to the normal sword attack that I've shown in every other video prior to this. There's also the condition for not being able to cast the magic before you have actually charged it up. So it will go through the whole charging animation before then allowing you to cast magic and ultimately play that animation to go along with it. Here you can see it in game. So here is the charging animation. I've just got it playing here on a loop so you can see what it looks like. Even though you saw it last week in Blender, I'm showing you it here in the game just for a better feel of it. And we also have the spell casting animation in there as well. So I'm quite looking forward to adding in the actual spells and the visual effects that are going to go along with this. It's going to bring this weapon to life and just be a really fun range of weapons to use. With each kind of magic rod that I bring in as well, I will more than likely have different charging times depending on the kind of magic that's being cast. So maybe the more powerful spells that you can do will have longer charging times, and then when it comes to attacking, obviously then you'll have a more powerful spell come out. I might also have different tiers of charging as well, so perhaps there'll be different stages that you can cycle through, so each additional charging stage that you go through will boost the power of the spell that you cast. It will maybe even have more visual effects to go along with it, signifying the strength of the spell increasing as well. So there's a few different things that I want to go down the route of here and just try out and see how it looks, and I think that's going to be a really cool addition to the game. What do you think about this week's video? I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.